Add the powdered spices to chicken along with salt. Add the ginger garlic paste, yogurt and mix well. Marinate overnight or at least for 6 hours. Grill or bake the chicken on both sides till done. Once the chicken is cooked, remove and set aside. Fry onion in oil and cook till translucent. Add the ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell vanishes from it. Add green chili, spices, tomato and cook until the tomato turns soft and pulpy. Allow to cool and grind to make a paste. Heat butter and add the ground paste. Add the grilled chicken pieces and mix well. Cook covered till the gravy thickens. Add cream, mix and remove from heat. Chicken tikka masala is ready to serve. Subscribe to receive latest recipe updates.